in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is in collaboration with a company called BRENNAS HAIR. They kindly sent me this really beautiful unit. It's their 13x4 lace frontal wig, and this is the silky straight virgin hair, I believe. Yeah, silky straight 100% virgin human hair, and the lace is 13x4. I decided to go for something quite simple. I'm going for Galentines Day this evening, so I thought I would do something really simple and classic just to complement this dress I'm wearing. I'm just wearing this like silk, it's like a maxi silk dress with roses on it, and I thought I'll go for something really simple. So I did a centre part with some waves in the hair. The hair is super silky. I didn't add any baby hairs to this unit, and I didn't bleach the knots on this wig. All I did was pluck the hairline and add some foundation to the lace of the wig. So I used the Kat Von D Good Apple foundation on the lace like this. I always use it for my lace fronts, and this is what it's looking like. I mean, for someone that isn't the best at applying wigs, I feel like this is very, very good. I feel like my ring light likes to take the mick out of me and make me look like a fool on camera, but I promise you, in person, you're not seeing anything. It looks really, really good. And I decided not to like pluck the hairline too much this time, because I just find that when you pluck the hairline too much off your wigs, it doesn't last, and I want my wigs to last. But yeah, this is what it came out like. It will be really nice to record myself getting ready for Galentine's Day, doing my hair. Just want to say thank you so much to BRENNAS HAIR for sending me this unit. Along with the unit came some goodies. They gave me some lashes, a wig cap, also comes with an elastic band if you need it, and then a thank you card with some details around maintenance, and there's also a little gift card here, which is very, very nice. Thank you so much for that. If you want to see how I install this wig, please stay tuned. This is honestly a really, really easy wig to install if you're someone like me who is not the best at installing wigs and just likes to do something, put on something really, really quickly. This is kind of will be the wig for you. I have all the details down below to this exact unit and to their website, so if you're interested, do look down below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. That'd be great. And yeah, hope you enjoy this little install, guys.
Never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. Your soul I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, unlike your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pen Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got. That's this shit right now. I'm so busy for this shit right now. I don't want to talk about this shit right now. Whichever one is in the hassle, oh damn yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. come and get a piece of mine. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try to tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, unlike your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pen Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base.